Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my meal planner, which is a brand new planner and a brand new layout for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is for the week of January 3rd through the 9th, and I am going to be using the stickers from Live Love Posh and creating a spread with those. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to contain enough space to write all of this down, but I'm gonna sure try. So here we go. So this is the winter florals from Live Love Posh, and I decided to use this really beautiful pink I think they're poinsettias, but I'm not sure. I'm still in like a little bit of a holiday mood, so I am creating the spread really quickly with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I know a lot of people are starting this brand new layout like I am, so it's very exciting, and here we go. So first and foremost, I usually I use this sidebar in my wellness. I'm not going to be using the sidebar in here, I think, because I get those prior pages with meal planning and grocery lists. So I think that will help tremendously. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a decorative tool. Okay, and I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel and choosing to spend time with me. I really appreciate you. If this is your first time showing up to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So I'm just gonna be playing with these florals and adding them randomly. I'm gonna be keeping this spread very simple with pink and gray florals that are on that sheet. It's sticker sheet, and not much more than that, because like I said, it's a brand new layout. I don't know what I'm going to be needing as far as writing space. So here we go. I added just a tiny bit so I still have room to write, and I'll just continue doing that and cutting up pieces until the spread is balanced and it looks right to me. So I'll add a flower right there and add another one on the side, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove that line so it doesn't show through, like this. Little by little, I'm gonna fill this up until it feels right. What do you guys decorate this layout, or do you stop decorating this layout because you're kind of feeling it like I am? What is your policy on this one? I really am curious to see what other people are doing with this. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add that flower to the top right there, like so. I think that's beautiful. And add a bigger one to the lower section of this, like so. And then I will be adding little bits and pieces until it feels complete. It's getting there. I think it looks pretty good already with all the pink and gray kind of popping off the page. I just want to make sure I feel like it is completely balanced. So I'm gonna add another one to the Saturday, like so. And then one more in the corner for sure. And I think I'm pretty much done with the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in this week and see how it feels and see how much room I need or how much extra room I will have for decorating next week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for spending the time. Bye.